Welcome to Life at Hack. Is your Android phone feeling slow or laggy? Don't worry, there's a hidden setting that can instantly boost its speed. This one tricks feel like upgrading your phone without spending a single penny. And best of all, anyone can do it in less than a minute. Step 1. Unlock developer options. First, open your settings, scroll down and tap About Phone. Now, find build number and tap it 7 times quickly. You will see a message saying you are now a developer. Step 2. Access hidden animation settings. Now go back to settings, tap System, then Developer Options. Scroll down until you find 3 settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Change all 3 from 1 to 0.5. This cuts animation time in half, making your phone feels way faster. That's it. Your phone should now feel smoother and faster instantly. No apps, no tricks. Just a smart setting most people don't know about. If this helped, give it a thumb up and subscribe for more hidden Android tips. Let me know in the comment if your phone feels faster now.